Welcome to Kasm Workspaces. In today's video, we will be showcasing our new progressive web app that has been added to the IGEL App Store. By launching the IGEL App Store button, you can search for Kasm. Simply select Install, and the Kasm Progressive Web App will be installed on top of your IGEL OS. Once you have accepted the licensing agreement, the Kasm PWA will perform an update to the latest build. After the update is completed, you'll be instructed to reboot the IGEL OS. Logging back into the IGEL OS, the Kasm PWA icon will appear on the desktop. Launching the Kasm PWA will bring you to our Kasm Workspaces for Oracle environment. This is a joint effort where Oracle and Kasm are working together to provide advanced computing opportunities for users and enterprises alike. To begin, you can simply log in with any number of credentials that can be customized to enterprise needs. In this case, we selected Microsoft as the login of choice. In an effort to provide on-demand as well as full enterprise capabilities, Kasm has built a self-service, user-initiated subscription model. The user can select the Kasm feature they need. In this case, we are selecting the Secure Browser option. This will give the user access to a secure enterprise browser container hosted in Oracle Cloud on an as-needed basis. As you can see, the user can choose any browser they feel comfortable with based on needs or user preferences. When launching the selected browser, the user can choose to implement a persistent profile, which will retain settings across sessions. By not selecting the persistent profile setting, each browser session will be wiped clean with a brand new container every instance. Additionally, the user has the option to open the session in the region closest to their current location for optimal performance. By clicking the Launch Session button, the container is created for the session and the browser window opens for the user. As you can see, the user has full access to the Kasm Data Loss Prevention Controls, or DLP, on the left side of the window. Upload, download controls, clipboard access, sound, microphone, and full screen capabilities are just a few of the options available to the user. Because the container was built in the region selected by the user, running a speed test will demonstrate where the compute and traffic is coming from. In summary, the IGEL OS user has now leveraged Kasm to access an on-demand secure enterprise browser session in minutes.